Newton's third law. Hi, science fans. Let's learn today about Newton's third law. It's a very cool rule. Sir Isaac Newton found it. He said, for every action, there's an equal reaction. It goes the opposite way. Wow, that's really neat. Think about forces like this. They always come in pairs, like your shoes or mittens. One force is the action. The other is the reaction. They don't exist alone. It's a universal team. Always two forces together. Imagine you push a wall. You use your hands. Push hard. That push is your action. The force goes to the wall. But what do you then feel? The wall pushes back on you. That's the reaction. Feel it? Newton's law is working. This third law is so key. It's not just an old thought. It's a basic rule of nature. It works for everything from small bits to giant stars. It helps us get our universe. It explains how things move. Science is all around us. Let's see this law every day. Think about jumping up high. When you jump, you push down. Your feet press on the ground. That is your action force. The ground then pushes you up. That is the reaction force. It lifts you in the air. Here is another fun thing. Imagine you blow up a balloon. Then you just let it go. The air rushes out one way. That's the action, a quick push. The balloon, it flies opposite. That's the reaction, zipping fast. A tiny bouncy air rocket. Do you like to go swimming? Newton's third law is in the pool. When you swim, you push water. You push it back with hands and also with your feet. That is the action you make. The water pushes you forward. That's the reaction, moving you. Even when you just stand still. This great law is hard at work. Gravity pulls your body down. That's an action force, constant. But you don't sink in floor. The floor pushes back up on you. That's the reaction, strong and firm, keeping you steady on ground. Now, for a little bit of math. Don't worry, it's not too hard. Scientists really love equations. They are like secret messages. Messages for how things work. Newton's third law has one. It's short, sweet, and so neat. It tells the whole story. First, we have action force. This is the first push or pull. Let's name it F_A for short. The F means force. Simple. The A tells us it's action. This is force from object 1. Object 1 acts on object 2. It is the start of things. Next is the reaction force. This is the second force. We can call this one F_B. Again, F is for force. Yes, the B means reaction here. This is force from object 2. Object 2 acts on object 1. The universe answers back now. So the equation is just this. F_A equals negative F_B. That is all. The equal sign is key. It means forces are same size. But the minus sign, it means opposite directions always. Equal strength but opposite ways. That's Newton's third law for you. Why is this law a big deal? Why should we all really care? Well, it's a master key. It helps explain so much. How our amazing world works, from small things to big things. It's useful, not just words. This law is super powerful. Think about giant space rockets. How do they fly to the moon? Rockets push hot gas downwards. They push it out very hard. This downward push is action. The gas makes an opposite push. This reaction lifts the rocket up to space thanks to Newton. Engineers use this law daily, especially when building safe cars. Cars have zones that crumple. When a car hits something, action. That thing hits the car, reaction. Crumple zones take that force. This helps keep people safe. Good science saves many lives. So Newton's third law is huge. It's more than a dusty old rule. It says forces come in pairs. Every push gets a pushback. Action, then equal opposite reaction. It explains flight boats and walking. It's basic physics for real. Science is so cool. Consider it.